Welcome to Tokyo, a city where traditions meet the modern, surprises and amazing experience at every corner. Hi, I'm Wilson. Join me as we explore the bustling streets of Shibuya, wander through temples, uncover hidden gems in charming neighborhoods, and trying some amazing Japanese cuisine. If you love travel and adventure, don't forget to subscribe and follow along on this exciting journey through Tokyo.
Good morning, everybody. So now we're at Japan, Tokyo, Tsukiji Market. So let's explore around, find something to eat. Let's go. So this is a breakfast. The kind of famous beef bowl rice. So this is beef intestine and beef rice. Slice food. Lots. It's good. And let's try the beef. It's low cooking. It's very nice. Enjoy.
After that, we dive back into the bustling market, weaving through the lively crowds to discover and explore.
So this is Yanaka steak. It's really nice. This is the beef cutlets. The beef inside so juicy, so nice. Let's take a look. It's so nice. So everybody, this is my warm sake in Japan. So nice. You can see it's a bit milky. Doesn't have alcohol strong. It's just a rice smoothie. It's nice. Enjoy.
Everywhere we turn, vending machines line the streets, and of course, tourists bustling around, adding to the lively atmosphere. For lunch, we found a cozy spot hidden in one of the alleys.
Good afternoon, this is the lunch we order. It's seafood rice bowl, kaisen don. Kaisen don is one of Japan's must-try dishes. It's a bowl of rice topped with super fresh sashimi like tuna, salmon, shrimp, and minced raw tuna. The freshness of the seafood here is incredible. Each bite feels like tasting the ocean. While enjoying my meal, I couldn't help but wonder, is Tokyo only about the hustle and bustle, the busy streets and endless energy? Are there hidden gems that offer peace, serenity, or even a connection to nature? I want to experience the contrast between these two sides of the city, so I've decided to explore and uncover them for myself.
After lunch, we wandered into the nearby charming town of Yanaka Ginza, a quieter and more peaceful escape from the bustling city.
Everybody, welcome to Yanaka district. unbelievable from the Bustling Shinjuku area. Now, peaceful area in Tokyo. So let's enjoy it.
We headed back into the lively crowds to visit an iconic and famous landmark, Senso-ji Temple. Visitors are encouraged to purify themselves before praying to the kami by washing their hands and rinsing their mouth with pure water. It's a ritual symbolizing cleansing and respect. Despite the large crowd, the temple is truly awe-inspiring, offering a profound glimpse into Japan's rich culture and religion. Shibuya, the vibrant heart of modern Tokyo, buzzing with lights, energy, and people, a trip to Tokyo wouldn't be complete without experiencing this iconic district. For lunch, we had ramen at the famous Ichiran Ramen, known for its unique cubicle dining experience. Overall, it's a unique experience to enjoy ramen in such a private and special way. It's perfect for introverts seeking a quiet meal. However, for someone like me who enjoys chatting with strangers or connecting with people, it's not exactly my ideal dining spot. Afterward, we escaped the concrete jungle and heading to a quiet, serene and spiritual place surrounded by nature, or just a short distance away. At night, we venture into the vibrant Shinjuku area to experience its lively nightlife, filled with bright lights, bustling streets, and endless energy. We had our dinner at a nostalgic restaurant, having sake, flavorful miso pork soup, and a delicious kimchi pancake. Next, we headed to Omoite Yokocho, a small alley filled with yakitori joints. After enjoying some light bites and a couple of beers, we decided to call it a day and headed back to rest.
I love challenging myself to try unique and exotic foods, especially when visiting other countries. For now, there's one dish I want to try, natto.
Morning everyone, so today we will try something new, natto. So very open, like this, so let's try. Milk is there. Actually not bad. There's no bad smell. It's just slimy. Yeah. Now I'm gonna add the salt. Actually the mustard and salsa is quite good. There's a bit spiciness and a bit saltiness there. Enjoying the Japanese breakfast, healthy breakfast.
Next, we explore Japan's oldest underground mall, the Asakusa Underground Shopping Street. It takes us back to the olden days, and I can almost feel like I stepped back in time. It's a contrast to the bustling, lively atmosphere above and around it. Just a 5 minutes walk, and we are back at Senso-ji Temple. It's always lively, filled with tourists, locals, and shops selling food and souvenirs. After randomly wandering and exploring, we head to Tokyo Station's Ramen Street for lunch. This is the iconic soy ramen. The broth is rich and flavorful with soy-based essence. The bamboo shoots are fresh and char siu is tender and juicy. It's simple yet incredibly delicious for me. Then we headed off to explore more peaceful and serene areas, quiet towns that offers a refreshing escape from the city's fast-paced rhythm. Visiting Mountain Takao allowed us to achieve our goal to experience a quieter, more peaceful side of Tokyo, contrast to its usual hustle and bustle. Here, surrounded by the mountains and the beauty of nature, we discover another side of Tokyo seamlessly connected to its vibrant energy. Due to the rain, temperature dropping around 9 degrees Celsius, it's so cold that you even can see the steam coming out from my breath. descending back to the foothill, enjoy a warm lunch to recharge before catching the train back to the city. For our final night in Tokyo, we decided to soak in the vibrant city one last time by enjoying the amazing Tokyo light show. Tokyo has shown me that there's always more to discover if we're willing to look beyond the surface. This city has a way of surprising us, blending tradition with modernity in ways we never expect, even in the smallest of moments. Next, we're heading to Shizuoka, where more adventures await. Don't forget to join us in the next video. See you soon!